So I'd say this is how it started, but honestly, this is how it's going. Bam, my beading corner. But we're looking at this shelf in particular. So this is how it started. Putting this together was really easy. I probably could have used some sort of glue or something to keep it, you know, like permanently together, but I didn't really feel like that was necessary. And if ever I'm transporting it or decide that I want to, you know, do something else with it, it's nice to have that option to be able to tear it down. So this is the device that I used to use to store my nail polish on, and you can see I still have quite a little bit of like overstock or things that I had duplicate colors of, but it's kind of here in an odd room that doesn't have any lighting, that is not, you know, really easily accessible compared to. This is how we have the bulk of our nail polish now, and the majority of this video was recorded like back in like January when I was doing the massive rearrange of our craft room. And I've been using this since then. I need to organize the colors to like have it a little bit more comprehensive, and I would have liked to have not had to do a double row in the front because that really blocks my like line of sight. And I'm thinking I may move it down a level because I'm kind of short, so I can't really see the colors as well from there as I could from like, you know, maybe if I had more of an overhead view. But I'm really pleased with them. There's a link down in the video description to where you can get your own. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or ideas, leave them down below. I love hearing from you guys. And so until next time, y'all, happy crafting. Mwah. Bye.